If you are getting this error while installing iOS 13.5.1 or iOS 14 beta, then this video will surely help you. Watch till the end. Okay, so let's start. Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. So today in this video I am going to show you a solution for commonly faced issue nowadays by many users, which is unable to check for update. Right, so if a person trying to update his iOS version from iOS 13.5 to iOS 13.5.1, or if he's trying to install the latest iOS 14 beta, right, so if they're trying it, they're getting this issue commonly, right? So how to solve this? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve that with the iPhone recovery mode, right? So basically recovery mode means we will restore your phone, right? So we will delete entire iOS firmware from mobile and we will reinstall it. So normally doing this deletes entire data from your mobile, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can backup your data, right? And once the solution is performed, you can reinstall the data or get back your data in iPhone, right? For this we require a laptop or PC with iTunes installed. Okay, so if you have laptop or PC with iTunes, then this solution will surely work for you. So let's start. This is a laptop screen. Now I will connect my iPhone to laptop through a USB cable, right? So this is how to do it. So connect your USB cable to laptop and right, it's done. So it will show your iPhone in a iTunes, right? So let me show you. If you see pop up, right, so here is my iPhone. Just open that. Okay, so once your iPhone is connected to laptop or iTunes, the first thing we require to do is backup your data. So this is the option where you do a backup. So go to the option and backup data. Doing backup to your computer will be very easy because later the data will be available, right, very easily, right? So after doing backup, the second thing we require to check for update, right? If your iOS version is 13.5, then it will show update, right? So there is a 13.5.1, so it will automatically show a update for your iPhone. So once it shows, just download the update. Okay, so if it's showing, download the update. Now my iOS version is updated, it's 13.5.1. so if you are on 13.5, right, download this update, okay, and through iTunes install this update in your iPhone, okay, and you will be on 13.5.1. After performing this solution, okay, you will be on latest iOS version, which will be iOS 13.5.1, and you won't face this issue in future. And if the person who are trying to download or install iOS 14 beta in their devices, okay, and if they're already on 13.5.1 and if they're facing this issue, then there is a solution of which is restoring your iPhone through recovery mode or DFU mode. Okay, so let me show you how to do restoring your iPhone through a DFU mode or a recovery mode, right? It's very easy. Let me show you. So here, keep your iPhone connected to laptop or PC and iTunes open. Now press a volume down button and power key at the same time. Okay, and keep holding both the buttons till 10 seconds. Okay, and exactly after 10 seconds, leave your power button and keep holding volume down button until your laptop detects the iPhone in recovery mode. Okay, so this screen will appear on your iTunes and you will see iPhone detected in recovery mode. Okay, once you do that, your iPhone will be like a black dead screen. Okay, let's just leave that. Let's go to laptop screen. Now you will get this screen where it will ask you to update or restore iPhone. Here I am only getting restore iPhone. Sometimes it tells you to update. If you are on older version, please update and download the iOS 13.5.1 entire file, which is around 3.8 GB. Okay, if you are already on 13.5.1 and you directly connected this iPhone to iTunes, then just click on restore iPhone. Okay, while restoring, it will surely download this entire firmware file, which will be around 3.8 GB, and it will restore your iPhone. As I had downloaded this file earlier because I was on 13.5 that time, while updating to 13.5.1, this file is still there in my iTunes, so it will directly take that file and restore my iPhone from that. If you're directly restoring your iPhone, then it will surely download 3.8 GB file and it will restore your iPhone. Okay, so now how to move out of your recovery mode. It is very simple process. Okay, it will be that black screen. Okay, just press a volume down button and power button at the same time until you get your Apple logo. Let's do a quick recap. Okay, if you are on iOS 13.5 and if you're facing this issue, then connect your mobile to iTunes and download latest update of iOS 13.5.1 and install in your device. And if you are already on 13.5.1 and if you are facing this issue while installing iOS 14 beta, then just do a recovery mode or DFU mode, how I showed in second step. Okay, this will help you solve this issue for sure. And remember, if you are directly restoring your phone through recovery mode, iTunes will download 3.8 GB file which is iOS 13.5.1 and then it will restore your iPhone. And if you like the video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.